Hello friends, today I will show you how to create a brand new WhatsApp account with your phone number. This is very simple to create. Just watch the video till the end, and now let's move directly to my mobile screen. First of all, you need to download the WhatsApp application from the Play Store or App Store, and then move forward to the steps. After installing WhatsApp, just open it and then you will come to this welcome page. Here, you have to select your language. After selecting your language, simply click on this forward sign and then click on Agree and Continue. Now, here you have to choose your country and then enter your mobile number below. After entering your mobile number, simply click on the Next button, wait for some seconds, and then check whether you entered this number correctly or not on this pop-up page. Then, simply click on Yes. After that, you will have to enter the code that was sent to the mobile number that you entered before. After being verified, simply click on Continue and then select Allow. Again, click on Allow and wait for some seconds here. Now enter your profile name and then set your WhatsApp profile photo. After doing this, click on the Next button below and then this page will open. Here, you have to click on Continue and then lastly wait for a few seconds. Now, as you can see, a new WhatsApp account has been created successfully. If you have any queries left, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching and have a good day.